Let's see the changing of direct to indirect in the interrogative sentence. Narration in interrogative sentence. Narration in interrogative sentence. We know interrogative sentence begins with helping verb. There are two forms of interrogative sentence. One begins with helping verb and the another WH question. So now we see the interrogative begins with helping verb, and the first one out of the inverted comma there is a subject, there is repeating verb and object. This is the form of direct narration, and it is now the reported speech in the interrogative form, interrogative sentence. The reported speech in the interrogative sentence. So the structure of interrogative sentence, direct to indirect, we know that this is interrogative. This is interrogative. This is interrogative. So the reporting verb will be if, says, say or says. Say will be changed into asked, asks. Says will be changed into asks. But if there is the form of past tense, said, say in the past tense, said, then or said to, then these two will be changed into asked. I repeat, if the sentence, the reported speech begins with helping verb and then subject, verb, object, it is now in the interrogative sentence, interrogative form. So as we know that this is the form of interrogative, the reported speech is now in the interrogative. So say will be changed into asked, or says will be changed into asked. Said or said to will be changed into asked. This is past form. So now the indirect structure is subject plus reporting verb, any one of this, and then object, and after removing the inverted comma, we must put here if or whether. Then the sentence will be assertive. The sentence will be assertive, as all the sentence, all the reported speech in the direct narration will be assertive in the indirect narration. So we must begins with the subject, and it according to the personality the subject will be changed. So subject here, then verb according to tense, and then object according to person, it will be changed here. This is the form, and at the end of this sentence we must put full stop. So this is the structure of interrogative sentence. I repeat, if the sentence begins with helping verb and then subject, verb, object. This is the reported speech is now in the interrogative sentence. So the reporting verb will be changed into that. If say, then ask. If say, then ask. If said or said to, then asked. So reporting verb will be here, any one of this here. So the structure is indirect narration: subject, then verb, then reporting verb, then object, and removing the inverted comma, we must put here if or whether. Then subject. After if or whether, there comes subject, as it is now in the assertive form. Must be in the assertive form. So subject, then according to tense, it will be changed into, the verb will be changed into another tense. So if, and then object, and then full stop. Let's see some examples. He said to me, Are you ill today? This is the sentence now in the direct speech. So direct speech, we know this, the reported speech is now in the interrogative form, and it is interrogative sentence. So and there is a note of interrogation mark. So the reporting verb will be changed. The reporting verb will be changed into said to, then it will be changed into asked. So the indirect form is he asked me. Removing the inverted comma, we must put here if, and the person here, the reported speech, in the reported speech the person is now in the second person, so it will follow the object and the of the reporting verb. So me will be the first person will be sit here, so am is will be changed into was where. So I was ill today will be changed into that day. Today will be changed into that day, and we must put here full stop. Let's see another form of interrogative. If the sentence of the reported speech begins with WS, then helping verb, then subject, then verb, then object, and out of inverted comma there is subject, reporting verb, object. This is the another structure of interrogative sentence. It and the sentence the reported speech begins with WS. So if the sentence begins with WS, then and it is interrogative, it is also interrogative, as there is an interrogation mark at the end. So the reporting verb will be changed into asked or asked, or asked, or asked. Now the structure is subject plus reporting verb, any one of these will be put here. So reporting verb reporting verb, if the sentence, if the reporting verb says, then asks, says, then asks, says to, then asks, and then object. And removing the inverted comma, there will be WH. So the difference between beginning with helping verb, the conjunction will be E for whether, but if the reported speech begins with WH, so WH will be sit here. So after WH, then comes subject, then comes subject. So subject here according to person, then according to helping verb we must know the tense, so the verb will be changed here according to tense, and then object according to person, and after the end of the sentence we must put full stop. So this is the form of interrogative, and the sentence begins with, reported speech begins with WS. So now I repeat, this is interrogative sentence, and the reported speech is now in the interrogative, and this is in direct narration. So direct narration will be changed into dash position, that is structure. So at first we begin with subject, then reporting verb say or says to, then reporting verb asked or asked, then object. After removing the inverted comma, we put here Y as conjunction, and this is WH. So WH, after WH, then we put here subject, then according to tense we put here verb, and according to person we put here object. And now see some examples here. Prince said to his father, where did you go yesterday? Prince said to his father, where did you go yesterday? And this is direct narration, and the reported speech begins with where, and then helping verb did. So the reported speech is now in the past indefinite tense, then subject and go verb, and of yesterday adverb. So the correct indirect narration will be that position. Prince said to will be changed into asked. So Prince asked his father. Prince asked his father. WH, as the reported speech begins with WH, so after removing the inverted comma we must put here WH, where, and then subject. After WH then comes to subject. Here subject is you, so it is in the second person, it is now second person, so it will follow the object of reporting verb. So his father, in lieu of his father we must put here he, and thus did and go, did you go, so it is in the past indefinite tense, so it will be changed into past perfect. So had, if the sentence begins, if there is helping verb did, so after subject we must put had, and the verb is in the past participle form, so will be in the past participle. So go will be changed into had gone. So where he had gone yesterday will be changed into the previous day. The previous day. The previous day, and the idea of the sentence we must put full stop. This is the interrogative sentence, direct to indirect example. Now here let's see another example. Rumi said to her mother. Rumi said to her mother, what are you cooking? Rumi said to her mother, what are you cooking? So this is direct narration and direct speech, and now we will change into indirect. So said to will be changed into asked. Rumi asked her. Rumi said to has been changed into asked. Rumi asked her mother what. The reported speech begins with what, so what will be put here. So what, and now the subject comes, then you is now in the second person, so it will follow the object, and her mother, in lieu of her mother we must put here she, and am is will be changed into was where, so she was according to person, and what she was cooking. What she was cooking. So this is the another example. I repeat, if the sentence begins with WS in the interrogative reported speech begins with WS, then WS after removing the inverted comma we must put here WS as conjunction. So the correct form of indirect speech is subject, then reporting verb asked, then object, then WS question, then subject, then according to tense verb, and then object. And these are the examples. Prince said to his father, where did you go yesterday? Prince asked his father where he had gone the previous day. And another example, Rumi said to her mother, what are you cooking? If we put here now, that now will be changed into then. Rumi said to her mother, what are you cooking? Rumi asked her mother what she was cooking. She has been changed into according to object of the reporting verb, her mother, she, and then subject, you. This is she, and then as helping verb was where will be changed into, has been changed into was, and then cooking. So the correct indirect speech is Rumi asked her mother what she was cooking.